speakers, panelists, and the living audience. Warm welcome and congratulations to all of us being a successful Missiles Night. Along with some successes, there are some announcements I like to make. Because of this agency, Honorable Minister Mr. Nidin Melkarji, she could not able to join or engage in the cabinet meeting. Came Hyder with Commissioner Sir and Halka Madam. So sorry for the little change, and but we are proud about our country and the situation is happening. The reason behind today's symposium is very clear. We want to share, being a digital platform, what is the ground reality practical knowledge is, and how we evolve through this journey from just a WhatsApp group to the one of the largest global association of veterinarians working in poultry. So this journey started from the Hyderabad 2023, and now this is second symposium. So we are with everyone, and we are part of this poultry sector, and we are also to support all positive causes happening to the poultry. I just like to run through a small detail about how and where we started. So, as I said, the beginning was simple. This as a WhatsApp group in 2014 with the 50 veterinarians, and now we are more than 1500 veterinarians across the country in all segments. So that is how it is started. The key idea is to nurture professional brotherhoods, poultry sector, and technocrat, along with promoting transformation and the scientific monitoring of the poultry. Present, we have to do three categories. Like first, rotatory activities were engaged into the WhatsApp group communications, and those communications are for the daily updates. So out of these four, we are also an association group, and sorry, their group, Platinum members group. So that also operates for the social activities and the association activities. 2019, before just going, we registered it officially under the Association Act, Society Act in Maharashtra, Pune, and then its journey started. What about core values? Those are very, very important. The first core of this started with the connecting with the experienced way, entrepreneurs, policymakers, industry stakeholders, academia, on everyone. Another, the important part is to join hands with the existing associations and the peoples, institutions to address the poultry sector issues scientifically, being and technocrats and the veterinarian, to foster the possibilities from the our end. The most important we always see now only two products, that is chicken and egg. This is our one. Beyond this is nothing. So we eat as our sender, chicken and egg. Whatever activity we do, this is delivered to the chicken and egg only, related to this. Mission is very important. We wish to contribute to the Indian poultry sector, nurture professional developments, and provide affordable, safe protein. As the result, each of our farmers, we say they are the protein producers. And we are giving word also. They are second in eggs and fourth in the chicken. The time is very short. We will top of the chart soon, scientifically. How we are different, how we are maintaining ourselves differently, or the as a core values, neutral and transparency. Whatever we do in a group or in our action, we keep it as a neutral and we transparent. Whatever we do to the facts and figures and transparency we share. Practical and realistic approach. So whatever happen on time, that time, each time. So we go with the practical realities, we go with the practical and the ground challenges, and find out the realistic approach, what can be done in a situation. Either it may be technical or either it may be any of the quality related issues. So our suggestions are always based on the practical and realistic approach. Networking and the knowledge exchange. This is the time or the era for the social networking or the social connect, where these inputs are very much important. Like new channels also now they are turning to the digital. The reason is for the immediate connectivity, which exchange you are granting, networking and knowledge exchange, because time being knowledge is very much important. Veterinary welfare, veterinary industry. The poor is the technician, and we are into the lives of industry. So veterinary role is very, very important. We used to strengthen them in all aspects, include technicalities, awareness, biosecurity, food security, everything. The most important part, we are the part of the food processing. We are the part of food chain. So it's not only the raising birds, it's raising the protein, affordable protein to feed each of the mountains in India, where for 140 billion mountains. So that this constitute a carrying a developments. Scientific proven around chicken and eggs, as I said, these are the only two products for us, chicken and egg, which are theory, everything related to this. How we operate? Okay, these are values and everything. So how we pick the day-to-day activities and how we can connect to this kind of the programs. We are national places, zone-wise or the region-wise, we have the regional committees. If suppose North, East, or Karnataka, Gujarat, then Tamil Nadu. So we have the region-wise committees. Those committees, regional head or the regional presidents, they are connecting to the port committee and we are communicating all those things. We have think time me and this. So this index includes all segments from senior to junior and we keep circulating all thoughts and then finalize conclude and then passes to the down from. For scientific promotion or for tackle each initiatives, we have dedicated media team. This media team finds the facts and pillars to promote. The recently great example, we pan on to the data, they are in the misleading advertisement about the bird featuring some dirty picture of the purse. So we go to the advertising agency, we file the case, we own that case and take immediately whatever banners they are putting either in Nagpur, Hyderabad or Vinod Pradesh, and hence further they will not dare to put these banners. If they put, please let us know. So this is just a recent example. Earlier we did with the Ranveer Singh that he is doing ad with the fish to own and injecting chicken. That also we stopped with doing a complaint to this advertising concept. Everyone is doing, we are contributing with their efforts. Knowledge sharing is a dedicated technical committee. They go with the scientific data, insights, practical knowledges along with academia and the field knowledges. Your bird don't wait for EMS. They don't be your time academia, no. On spot, realistic solutions required. We go to that with technical insight, we strengthen the fit veterinarians and the professional post involving technically, they will get the details. Recently we launched our magazine called Boldary Pulse. This is a typically technical magazine. We only consider the technical matters related to that period and related to the situation into the field, so that the concerned persons from the poultry sector, they will either go with some scientific details and the insight which will aid them in that situation. Connecting, the most important part, we are trying to connect protein producers, the farmers, media, institutions and the governments. Thank God, everyone in this segment, they are in line and I highly appreciate all associations, all institutions and the governments. They are supporting for the any cause. All presidents are here. I thanks to everyone because whenever anyone calls for anything, we join immediately and look it into the cause. Recently, there was a meeting called by the Secretary Madam, and within a short time, all presidents represented that, who were invited, along with our president. So this is an example how we are, everyone is connected and how we are delivering. As a technical part, we wish to live in that. Staying is very important. So whatever I will say, every belongs to the talent, manpower, time and education on time. That is the biggest strength of the VIT. So for this, we have approximately more than 50 people who are teamwork in event. So we go with the teamwork and the togetherness. There are some milestones, so we move ahead and start very late. So as I said, 2017, we started as a WhatsApp group and till 23, we have the AGM as well. So yearly we do carry the AGMs and this national symposium is for everyone in the poultry sector. They can participate and you all these courses. Significant what we have done is participate in the expos for the World League. Also we did lot of activities in the town like the walkathon and the promotional activities during the 8 days. Global recognitions because we are into the stakeholders, the birth to amendment draft, or maize import issues, soy import issues, what of the false media, those are we are also represented very strongly in person. Yeah. So these are few of the glimpses where we started this. So this is the first journey in 2017. This was just a get together. This is another get together happening to technical gathering to the Hyderabad. Thanks to Lalit Reddy Garo sir who initiated this and we are done with that. This is our third get together happening to the Goa. We call it the Chicken Doctors Conclave to celebrate this. This is a promotional activity, as I said, this is a promotional for the chicken and is about the walkathon. Indian family, this is the first time in the industry, poultry, sorry. We work with the Indian family and look at the children and babies. They are part of this rally promoting the chicken and the eggs. This is also treated as a milestone. This is like a tip project happening this like a beautiful Chandigarh. We dedicate the Sukla Lake. And entire poultry sector participated. Thanks again for those who participated. Look at the beautiful children promoting chicken and eggs. During COVID, everyone hit. There is no time. We are blind. What to do or not to do. But we come up with an online solution immediately and we started webinar series. Find out the solutions, what can be done, what are the solutions in this situation, on technicalities or the policymakers of the government or the local authority, what to do. We come up with the online, we started this and again this was the landmark, more than 1,000 participants connected that time. Where it was a new everyone and look at the topics if you were able to see. All topics are concerned to the that situation and those aims to me. It's just a webinar but team can discussion and circulated later. In fact, Lola, again we have another our internal get together and the AGM we have to week. This webinar series continued to the end of the COVID as well. See, during that situation we are close to the end of the COVID periods and we relevantly we take all the topics online and circulated to everyone. This is later which we drafted in 2021 of 29 pages that introduced 7 major changes into the perfume amendment draft, which had detailed insight and many of our residents from our station and our resident, they have gone through this in 2-3 meetings with the IAS officers and the secretary madam. So this is helping many of the resolve like vaccine, placements and the declarations. So that we have implemented thanks to government side and the leadership involved in this. This is another issue we did it. We also drafted starting the Maharashtra and this under process. Other places is already started by our early series project. This is another. One of the events we give it with the Pune about the chicken and egg cooking competition. This is to involve participations from the stakeholders, houses and the families so that once they eat chicken and eggs are good, if they come up within the kitchen, definitely our hard work is there. And to deliver that objective, we did this chicken competition. And it's a really good, innovative and most appreciated event happening in the time. These are a few glimpses of the egg take where we disseminate into the all grounds, isolated places, ticker and egg distribution. This first symposium, the first we did in Hyderabad, that was also a landmark that approximately 600 acres poultry professional attended and very innovative topics that time also. This is our 5th AGM happened in the Nashik last year. So it was also another landmark for us internally. This is World Day celebration recently, last year in 2023. Looking to the all activities, we decided to go with our own office and we started into the Pune. And then now we have dedicated office and everything is in place. This another milestone, IMA, Indian Medical Association, is always buzz among us. And we are officially connected with the IMA. They are helping us scan India wherever required. That is a good move for us. This is the participation. This is our technical matching what I represented our here poultry bus. This is our last Asian happening to the Tonala. This is a participant in the various organizations. This is participant with the Isanta proof from the panel. Many of us are present here, as you see in the previous. So this is a journey. Now, one of our social disposition advocacies. So we are advocating for the affordable protein solution for the community. That is our commitment. Regular addressing anti-cooperative propaganda and countering the waste beliefs that we are continuously working on. Working closely with the government authorities, media, policymakers, and create transparency, scientific-based narratives in the poultry sector. That is our prime objective. And we keep evolving with all these. We are trying to bring to everyone. We respect all peoples, all segments in the poultry, and they do wish to do. These are our social angles. Conclusion, we have so long way to go with the humble beginning as the WhatsApp group to the global recognized Association of Veterinarians. We are committed to continue its mission in all in veterinarians, addressing the poultry sciences and ensuring suitable practices in the poultry farming. We respect every contribution in the poultry in building present and future of the Indian poultry sector on the global map. Call to action, join the movement, let's save the poultry and the future of our poultry.